Aberdeen Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit. Compact and durable, Mixology Set with stainless steel, and let's check the other features. Good morning, my friends. Today I'm going to introduce to you Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit. My name is Agnes. I'm a French person. This is why my accent is French. Now, let's talk about the Aberdeen Oak Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit. It's your ultimate travel companion for any mixologist. It is our deluxe travel bartender kit. You can take it wherever you want. Crafted with an elegant oak finish, this compact and durable set is the perfect addition to your collection of bar tools. Or if you want to impress your friends, it's not just a bartender kit, it's your passport to cocktail mastery. Anywhere the journey takes you, this kit isn't just comprehensive, it's your personal arsenal for concocting libations that creates memories. Each element of our travel kits braves the rigors of the road without a scratch, ensuring that your mixology art remain uninterrupted no matter the destination. Included in the set, a Boston shaker, a muddler, an ice tongue, a bottle opener, a mixing spoon, a peeler, a double jiggers. The package also comes with a bamboo stand, Boston shaker set, as I told you, cocktail booklet, cocktail smoker, metal mesh screens, wood chips, whiskey bowls, a stainless steel tongue, freezer pouch, cleaning brush, crystal mixing glass, Hawthorne strainer, julep strainer, sphere ice mod, whiskey glasses, coaster, and extra large whiskey bowls. Why Aberdeen oak? It has high quality, complete set, 1% stainless with a cocktail recipe book with extra dust. Let's talk about the pros and the cons. The Aberdeen Oaks Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit offers a companion design perfect for on-the-go mixology. Great value for the money. Stainless steel accessories are dishwasher safe. Oh, my friend, this is a very good pro. Let's talk about the cons. Some user may find the size of the kit too small to accommodate additional accessories or ingredients. Despite what I said before, the stainless steel tools, while durable, may be prone for stretching if not handled carefully during the use. The cocktail shaker set bartender kit has been designed for the on-the-go professional bartender to create great tasting cocktails wherever you are. The cocktail bar tool set is ideal and acts as a mobile bar, travel bar, set for restaurant, hotels, cruise ships, bar at home or in any business that caters to groups of people who enjoy a cocktail. Like French, we like to take the cocktail before lunch. We enjoy it. It makes also a great Christmas or holiday gift for any cocktail enthusiast. This bag is great for everyone, from professional bartenders to those who enjoy crafting and inventive drinks at home, and everything in between. The Arvander Oak Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit is an adventurer's best friend, bringing the sophistication of a home bar to any location your wanderlust may lead you. Every tool within this kit is made from high-grade stainless steel, promising longevity and a professional touch to your drinks. The material used are stainless steel, bamboo, canvas, glass, rubber, and cork. As a bonus, we also include a user guide and the cocktail recipes books to help you elevate your mixology skills. This is a video from the company Aberdeen Oak Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit, and I want you to listen to the video, please. It will give you some ideas how to use it, what do you have in the kit. like this video because it summarizes what Arbender Oak Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit is. Let's review. The product name is Aberdeen Oak Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit. It's compact and durable, Mixology Set with stainless steel bar, tool, essentials. Premium, organized portable case for the Normandy cocktail enthusiast or for a traveler. Or the type, it's a deluxe travel bartender kit. The price, $49 only. In case the joy of cocktail creation in a gift-ready package that awakens wanderlust, perfect for the intrepid bartender or the friend who has everything. This kit wraps adventure and sophistication into the ultimate present. It's a beautiful gift. Don't let subpar bar tools ruin your on-the-go mixology experience any longer. Elevate your cocktail game with the Arbender Oak Deluxe Travel Bartender Kit and spoil your loved one with these luxury travel accessory gifts. Before you order, please, important disclaimer, the information contained on Top Travel Pulse Hub, this is my website, is intended for information and education purpose only. Order today and unlock a world of portable premium mixology that will make every sip unforgettable. Seize this opportunity now before it's too late. You will have the link below this video or somewhere in the page. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in another review of the product that I love and that I use.